In this video, let me show you how to fix the Chase app not working. If you come across a issue on the Chase mobile app, in today's video, let me show you a couple of things that you can try out in order to fix this issue. Now, the first thing that you can straight away do is make sure you remove the Chase application from the recent app list and try to see if this fixes the issue. If this first step does not work for you, the second thing that you can do is try to update the application. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device and search for the Chase mobile application. If you do see new updates available, just tap on the update button. Updating applications helps to solve any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue. Now, even if you updated your app and if you're still having issues with it, the second thing that you can do is try to clear the data and cache of the mobile app. So what you can do is tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon, and then scroll down, head over to storage, and then tap on the clear data option. If you were previously logged in, this step is gonna log you out, so make sure you log in and try to check if this fixes the issue. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to head over to iPhone storage and then offload the application. Once you do both of these steps and you're still having issues with it, this likely means there is a service outage. In this situation, you just need to wait out a couple of minutes. Sometimes it may even be a couple of hours before you can use the Chase application. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.